Hello everyone, welcome back to Coding Square again. In this video we go to the lesson for shape and parameter. Okay, don't waste time. We go to the do this, okay? And look at the code and try to figure out how the last two inputs in Rex work and change the number in the second Rex to make the rectangle longer than the blue one, okay, like this picture. So you run is the red one is shorter than the blue. Okay. So what you have to do is make this red to be longer. So in order to do that, you have to understand about the parameter in the rex block. In the rex block, we have four: x position and y position, and the third one is for the width, okay, and the last one is the height. So if you want the height longer than the blue one, what you have to do is just change the height. You can make it to 200 like that, okay? Okay, 200 is not enough, 250, okay? The red one will be longer than the blue one, okay, like that. So finish it and continue. We go to the puzzle 2, okay. Don't waste time or do this. Write code that make the orange ellipse behind the green one, okay. Don't worry about the extra side as long as the green ellipse is entirely inside the orange one. So you run it first. Okay, what you have to do is to make another ellipse with the fill is the orange, okay. And this ellipse, it should be around, go to X position is the center of the screen, 200 and 200, and this one you can make it like the width and height. The width, it should be around, I think it should be 300, and height it should be, let me put it 302. Okay, so let's run and you can change it later. So like that. So make it around 350. Okay, but the problem is we didn't see the green red ellipse or this circle here. So what you have to do is just copy it or cut it and put it at the top. Okay, reset and run again. So it's the same, right? If it's not the same, you just change it, this one to 250. Okay, like that. Okay, this one look the same, right? Okay, finish it. Go to puzzle 3. Background, okay. Sometimes you want to fill the entire screen with a color. Okay, for that you can use background. It's cover everything on the screen with the color you choose. Okay, do this. Run the code, see the background. Okay, change the background from yellow to orange. Okay, yellow to orange. Okay, change to orange. Reset and run. We have one more challenge here. There is a purple square that is covered up by the background. Can you change the order of code? Okay, so it's simple. You can just cut the background, go to the top like that. Okay, top of the code here. Reset and run. Okay, the purple square is so. Okay, finish it. Continue. Okay, for this one, for puzzle 4, the background will drawn on the top of everything already in the drawing. Okay, so it's important to think about the order of the code. Okay, so use background to make the black background behind the green circle. So it's simple, right? So you just set the background black, background, and then black. Okay, this simple, this easy, right? Okay, like that. Finish. Continue. Puzzle 5. Okay, debug using parameter. So this program used for parameter. version of Rex ellipse to draw a simple chain. Okay, do this. Debug this program and correct the errors so that the grass extends across the entire bottom. Okay, you run it. Okay, this grass is just not across the entire bottom. Okay, and you can only change the one number with which parameter make your rectangle. Okay, the grass is here, so the problem is the width of the rectangle, so you can change it to 400. Okay, only one number, the everything will done. Okay, finish it. So in the process, as we will debug this program. Okay, for the first one is debug hidden shape. Okay, you go it for the first. Okay, so you run it first. Okay, this code below should make a pretty circle, but right now only one ellipse is shown enough. Okay, debug it. So debug this code so the picture is shown on the right, so like that. So you can read this all, but the problem is that this red one is problem. Okay, what you have to do is cut it and paste it here. Okay, reset and run. Cool. Finish it. Continue. So you go to B, debug missing shape. Okay. So when the code below is run, nothing shown up. Okay, nothing when you click run. Okay, debug the code so that image shown up like that. So like this. Okay, so the problem as you see is here is 500. This one is 500, 500. Okay, so for the first, I just change it to everything is 550 only. Okay, okay, it's so like that. But it's not enough. I will make it 60, okay, 70, 80, 90. No, no, no. There is problem. 70, okay, 80, 90. This one is 100. So let's go. Okay, when we change the position of x, it will show like that. It's nearly the same, right? What you have to do more is change the y position. Okay, so we go up here. It should be around width is width and height. So let's make this one to be 6, 7, 8, 9, and this one is 10. Reset and run. So it looks the same, right? So we have for the first one is the black. After that, white, black, white, black, and white at the center is here. So that's all. Just finish it. Okay, finition. Okay. So for this one, a descent below seem to be incomplete. Okay, be creative and finish this drawing however you want. Okay, this one it should be the free play. Okay, so you can do anything in here. So for me, I just add one more sun and some clouds here. So I just use the fill. I fill it with yellow and ellipse. I set this sun go to at the center. Okay, at the center is go to x 200 and y is 0. Okay, side of this one it should be 50 only. Okay, okay, so make it a little bit more, calm it down. come down here. Okay, this one, and I make two cloud more. This one is filled with the cloud with white. Okay, and after that I have to use ellipse again, but for this one I use all of the parameter with x, y, w and x. So I use the x go to x position, it go here near the sun here. It should be x is 100. Okay, 150 y and or y. W it should be around a little bit big, is 75, with the height is only 30. So look that close. Okay, like that. And another one is at the right, it should be 350, side the same, this cloud is the same side. Okay, okay, like that. So that's cool for me. I just click finish it. Okay, okay, finish again. Okay, now we go to the debug using for parameter. Okay, now that grass is working. Okay, let's add a cloud to the sky. Okay, unfortunately it look a little bit funny right now. Okay, so do this, debug this program to make the cloud wider than it tall, like in the image. Okay, so now its problem is not the same as image here. So you will need to change two parameters, which one set your cloud width and height. So the cloud is here. So what you have to do is change it to 200 and this one to 100. Okay, reset and run like that. Finish it. Continue. Okay, now we have the shape and parameter challenge here. Check out one or more of these extra blocks that you can use to make your picture more interesting. Okay, so for the first one is we go to here for the A, new block, regular polygon. Okay, we go here. Okay, regular polygon. Okay, as of now you have just been drawing a leaf and rectangle, but now there is a new block to help you draw other shape. Okay, do this. Read the code that make the current image and use regular polygon block to finish the code. So it's make the picture on the right. Okay. So let's run first. Okay. So for the first, we read this code to understand what is regular polygon do. Okay. So for the regular polygon is here. It have four parameters. For the first one is x position, and second is y position. The third is the side, and final one is side of the the, the regular polygon. Okay, or your square or your rectangle or anything. Okay. So for the first one, this one will draw this triangle here with the three sides. Okay, at the x position 50 and y position is 75 and side of it 50. And if you change it to a little bit smaller, like for example I change it to 25, this triangle will be smaller. Okay, like that. Okay, if you add one more side, it will become a square, a little bit small of square, like that. Okay, I hope you understand for this. Okay, so this one I make it to 3 again and make it 50, like that. And for this one is the square here. Okay, you can see it go to x, start from the 100 and 50. Okay, and after that with the y position the same, but this one is 4 side. Okay, and this one is 7 side, this one. Okay, this one here, and after that this one is 11 side here. So what you have to do is to make another all the same, to make it completely the same this picture. So I have set it here. Okay, so what you have to do next is to draw this one. This one, for make you easy, you just count each side: 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. So it has the 8 side. So what you have to do, just draw this rectangular polygon. You go to the position of 150, side is 75. Oh, no, side, it is the y position. It is 8, and you can set its side is the same as 50. Reset and run. 100. No, sorry, for the y position is not 75. It is 175. Make it here. Okay, reset and run. Oh, sorry, this one here, I put the 80. It's not 80, it is 8. 80, it will become the circle here. This, okay, sorry. So, okay, now it's done. So what you have to draw next is this one. This one is, you can count it. Okay, 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. This one is 12. Okay, so 12 is not difficult. Regular polygon. Okay, this one is 275, and this one is 12, and side the same, like that. Okay, make it readable. Reset and run. Okay, and after that you go up there. This one is only 5. Okay, so you just need another one is regular polygon 50, and for the first one is 75, and this one is only 5. Okay, and it should be 50, like that. Reset and run. Okay, sorry, this one is not 50. It should be around 250. Okay, 250 and more. Regular polygon 250, the same. This one is should be 175, and this one for the neck is, you can count each side: 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Okay, this one is 9, and side is the same. Reset and run. Okay, next is regular polygon with 250, the same. This one 225. After that it should be, this one is 9 10 11 12. This one is 13. Okay, 13. Okay, nearly done. We need more, 3 more regular polygon with, not this one, it should be 350, and this one is 75. This one 1 2 3 4 5 6. So this one is 6. Okay, 6 size of 50. Okay, reset, run. Okay, next regular polygon 350 again, 75, 6. Now it is, how many is it? Okay, 6 7 8 9 10. This one is 10. Okay, and this one, reset and run. Okay, this problem is here, not 75, 175. Okay, for the last one, okay, we nearly completed 375, and this one is 275, and this one is should be this one 10, 12, 13, 14. Okay, this one is 14. Okay, that's cool. Finish it. Okay, now we complete this puzzle. Okay, so make it easy for you guys, more readable. So I just cut it here to make you easy to understand about it. Okay, this one is 3, 3. Okay, like that. So now finish it. We go continue. Okay, now we go to the new block shape. Learn how to create any shape you want. Okay, let's go. Okay, so do this. Okay, so read the code that make this picture and use shape block to finish the code so it make the picture. Okay, play around some more with the shape block and see what you can make. Okay, run. Okay, what is this? We have the new block of code is called shape. This shape it has many parameters. Okay, it has x1, y1, x2, y2 until xn and yn. It is unlimited. Okay, so now let's read this code together. For the first one is here, fill with the red. This one is red, and for the H1 is the 200. You can check this box. This one 200, and Y position is 200. This one is point. Okay, and after that it go to the point of X is 0 is here, but Y position is 400. So this one. Okay, so the last one is here, 400 of X and 400 of the Y. Okay, so it make this triangle, red triangle. Okay, and what about the blue? The blue one is here. It go to the X position if one 200 and 200. This one, this. Okay, and after that it go to X0 and Y0 is here. After that go to 400 of X and 0 of Y. Okay, it draws here. So what you have to do is you have to figure out how where is your corner of the triangle. Okay, so now we fill with the green. Okay, this green. So what you have to do is to where you want to go. Okay, where the point start. Okay, so the first one is I set the shape. If for the first point or the first corner for me is at the x0 and y also 0. Okay, after that I go to this point is the 200 of x and 200 of y, and the final here of the x is 0 but the y position is 400. Okay, so let's run. So I can make this. Okay, we have set the 3 point. Okay, this one, or you can make it your code more readable, and you can make it like this for easy for you to read. This one is this corner, and this one is this corner, and this one this corner. Okay, so next with the fill of the yellow. Okay, you can set it like shape. For the first of this corner is x is 400. Okay, and y is 0. It is top here. You can set You can start from which corner? Okay, as you want. And after that, you go here or you go here, it's up to you. And next is I go to 200 and 200, okay? After that, I go to X is 400 and Y is, no. Both of that is 400 because it right here, okay? Reset and run, okay? So now play around some more shape that you can make, what you want to make, okay? You can use this shape to make any you want. Now for me, I just make another triangle inside this. So now I should start from here. Okay, this is 100 and make it another fill. The fill of it should be, I set it to be gray, okay? And I use shape 2, okay? And I come here. This one is should be 100 and 250 and I make it in line like that for more readable. Okay, this one 102 and after that I go here. This one is 200 and 100. This one is 100 and this one is should be 300 and 300 and 250. Reset and run. So you can make another one triangle at the top of here. Okay, you can make any more. If you add another side, so for me, for example, I make this one is a little bit left and make it to be right. So this one I go to 250 and this one is 150 and this one is 100. Okay, so it's not triangle anymore. Okay, it will be like this. Okay, if you delete it and it will be like this. Okay, if you want it's more a little bit more, you can make this one go to around 300. Okay, this triangle like that. Okay, and you want it come it a little bit come here to the right and you can make this to 150 like that. Okay, it's up to you. So let me finish this and you can play around with the shape block as you want. Finish it. Okay, now we go to the new block is the line. Okay, let's go. So new blocks line. Okay, so do this, read the code and to make this picture. Use line block to finish the code so it matches the picture. It's only use straight line. Okay, we use only the straight line. Okay, play around some more with the line block and see what you can make. Run it. Okay, so what is this? This is this point. This point it has only two parameters x and y. No point. It's line. Sorry, it's line. Line we have four parameters x1, y1, x2, and y2. For the first point is x1 and y1, we can call it the start point, and this one x2 and y2 like the stop. Okay, for just for me. So let's read. If you delete this or cut it and you run it, you will see this line. Okay, you come back and after that you cut it and make it and run it again. It's so like this. So what can you see? For the first one, The first line, it starts from the x is 0 and y also 0, and the endpoint is go to x is 50 with the 400 of y. Okay, so the next is 0 of x is same, it starts from 0 here, but the y position is 50, and 100 of the x it come here, and 400 of y. Okay, so that's okay for me. Reset and run. And what you have to do is to make the another side of this picture. So what you have to do is you use line the same. This line. So for the first, if it start from the x is 0 and y also 0, but the endpoint it is come here. So like that for me, yeah, I just copy this picture and paste it here to make you easy. It come from the top, and after that it come here. Add the 5, no 5, 50 of y. Okay, so let's go. And for the x position is 400, and the y position is only 15. Okay. No 15, 50. Okay, sorry. It's like that. Okay, so what you have to do next is you draw more of line. Line it start from, now the x is not 0 anymore. It start from 15, 50, sorry, 50, and the y position is still 0, and this one is for the x. The x2 is should be around 400 the same, and this one should be 100. Okay, let's run. Okay, it's like that. So you just go and come and make it like that, such that this one is 100 like that, this one is 0, this one is 400 same, this one is 150. Okay, how many lines here? It should be 8 line. Okay, so you just go to make another line. Is, sorry, this one is, okay, 150. This one is still 0, and this one is 400. Okay, this one is 200. Let's run. Okay, it's nearly the same as the pictures. Okay, sorry. Go to line again. This one is 200, this one is 0, this one is 400. Okay, this one is 250. Okay, line again. This one is 250, 0, and this one is 400, and this one is 300. Okay, another line is 300, 0, this one is 400, this one is 350, and reset and run. Okay, we need more line. Okay, 350, 0, 400, and this one is 400. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 edge of line. Okay, we completed. We just draw this line to make this picture. Okay, this straight line. So let's finish it. Okay, another new block is new block arch. Okay, go. What is that? New block arch. Okay, the arch command works just like the ellipse, except it has two extra parameters. This parameter specifies two different angles that are used to create the arch. Okay, do this, read the code, see how the arch block works. Pay close attention to the last two parameters in each arch command. Play around with the arch block. One, you think you know how it works. Okay, run. So what is the arch? Okay, so let's read the code carefully. Pay attention, please, everyone. So the arch here, we have the six of parameter. For the first one, x is second, y, third is the width, fourth is the height, and the last two is start and stop. What is start and stop? The start and stops here is start degree and stop degree. So for the first one is that you want to draw the arch at the position x is 50 and 100 of y, okay? And after that, width is also 100 and height also 100, okay? And then you can draw this circle here with the gray color. And start from this 0 of circle, okay? 0 to 360. This is the one circle, okay? One round of circle, okay? And for this one will draw the second of this second circles here, but it's not completely circle, okay? Because the stop at a 300 degree. If you make it to 270 like that, this one it should be like this, okay? If you want to be half of the circle, you make it only 180, okay? Like that. So for this green, I want to make it half of the circle too, but it is at the top. So I make it, this one, it should be 180 until the 360, like that, okay? Another way, if you set the no fill to before the arch command, it not draw the fill of the arch or the circle. It will draw only the stroke. You can see this like the line, but it is the stroke, okay? So you can make it like this. This one is, you can set it to 180. This one of 360, like that, okay? So it's up to you what you want to draw. If you want to draw from the 90 or 270 to this one, you can set like 270 until 90. Okay, you draw this, okay? If you want another side, another side, you want to set this one from 90, and this one is 270, like that, okay? So it's up to you. So, but remember that from 0 degree, from for both angle, okay, 0 degree to the right and 90 degree is down, okay? 180 degree to the left, 270 degree is up, okay? Remember this. Finish it. Okay, that's all for this video. I hope you all guys understand about the regular polygon, the shape, the line, and the arch. And for the last project is here, we have the 5 project. Okay, so I will make another video, and and put it in the description. You can check at the end of this video. So see you again in the next video.